In this video, we will do exercise 12.3 and 12.4 of chapter Algebraic Expression. Let us start exercise 12.3. If m equals to 2, find the value of. Now, dear student, we have to substitute the value of m with 2. Wherever there is m, we have to place 2 in place of m. Now, let us start our first sum, that is m minus 2. Now, dear student, you have to substitute the value of m, that is in place of m you have to place 2, that is in place of m you have to put 2, and rest of the thing you have to keep as it is, that is minus 2. Now 2 minus 2 you will get 0. Now next one is 3m minus 5. Now here also in place of m you have to put 2 that and minus 5 as it is, that is 3 into 2 is 6 minus 5 6 minus. Next is 9 minus 5m, that is 9 minus 5. In place of m you have to put 2, that is 5 2s are 10, that is 9 minus 10, that is 9 minus 10 gives negative 1. Next one is 3m square minus 2m minus 7. In place of m you have to put 2, that is 3 into 2 the whole square minus 2 into 2, that is in place of m you have to put 2 minus 7, that is square of 2 is 4 and 2 2s are 4 and minus 7, that is 3 4s are 12 minus 4 minus 7, that is minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11, that is 12 minus 11 is 1. Then the next sum is 5m upon 2 minus 4. In place of m again you have to put 2 and write down 5 as it is upon 2 minus 4. Now here 5 into 2 is there, we can cancel this 2 and 2, that is now what is left, that is 5 is left, 5 minus 4 is 1. Now let us start our next question, that is if p equals to negative 2, find the value of. Now you have to substitute the value of p with negative 2. Now the first question is 4p plus 2, that is in place of p you have to put negative 2, that is 4, write down 4 as it is, that is in place of p write down minus 2 plus 7, that is 4 into negative 2 is negative 8 plus 7, that is negative 8 and positive 7 gives negative 1. Then next one is minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7, that is write down negative 3 as it is, in place of p write down negative 2 and this square write down as it is, plus 4 in place of p write down negative 2 plus 7, then write down negative 3 as it is. Now square of negative number always become positive, that is negative 2 into negative 2 is positive 4, then 4 into negative 2, 4 2s are 8, positive into negative is negative 8, and write down this positive 7 as it is. Then negative 3 into 4, that is negative into positive is negative, that is negative 3 into positive 4 is negative 12, minus 8 write down as it is, minus a positive 7 as it is, that is minus 12 and minus 8 gives minus 20, minus 20 and plus 7 is minus 13. Now let us see next one, in that only minus 2 p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Now write down minus 2 as it is, then in place of p you have to put minus 2 and this write down this cube as it is, then minus 3 in place of p write down minus 2, write down this square as it is, plus 4 in place of p write down minus 2 and plus 7 as it is, then write down this minus 2 as it is, then cube of minus 2, that is minus 2 into minus 2 and into minus 2 gives minus 8, then write down this minus 3 as it is, then square of negative 2, that is negative 2 into negative 2 will become positive 4, that is minus 3 into positive 4 is you have to write, then 4 into negative 2 is negative 8 and write down this 7 as it is, then negative 2 into negative 8 gives positive 16, then negative 3 into positive 4 gives negative 12, write down this minus 8 as it is, this 7 as it is, then 16, see dear student, now 16 minus 12 is minus 4, okay, then see here 16 minus 12 is positive 4 and positive 4 and negative 8 is negative 4, and write down this 7 as it is, 7 minus 4 gives 3. Then the next question is find the value of the following expression when x equals to minus 1. Now dear student, in this Again you have to substitute the value of x with minus 1. In place of x you have to put minus 1, that is 2. First question is 2x minus 7, that is write down 2 as it is. In place of x write down minus 1, write down this minus 7 as it is. Now multiply 2 into negative 1 is negative 2, and write down this negative sign as it is. Minus 2 and minus 7 gives minus 9. Now the next one is minus x plus 2. In place of x you have to put minus 1, that is write down this minus sign as it is. In place of x you put minus 1 plus 2. Now minus and minus will get plus. Whenever there is a negative sign outside the bracket, whatever the value inside the bracket, its sign will get changed. The negative 1 will become positive 1, and write down this positive 2 as it is. 1 plus 2 gives 3. Then the next one is x square plus 2x plus 1. Now in place of x you put minus 1, that is minus 1, and write down the square as it is. Then minus 2, see 2 into x. In place of x write down minus 1, then write down this plus 1 as it is. Now square of negative, any negative integer will become positive, that is square of 1, square of negative 1 is 1 only. Then positive 2 into negative 1 is negative 2, and write on this positive 1 as it is. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, and minus 2 gives 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now the next one in that only, 2x square minus x minus 2. In place of x put minus 1, that is write down this 2 as it is. In place of x put minus 1 the whole square, minus, in place of x put minus 1 minus 2. Then square of minus 1 is 1, then minus 1 gives 1, write down this 2 as it is. Then write down this negative 2 as it is. 2 ones are 2, write down this 1 as it is, minus 2 as it is. Positive 2 and negative 2 will get cancelled, you will get 1, your answer. Now the next question is, if a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 2, find the value of. Now dear student, here if the first one we have to find, that is a square plus b square. Now in place of a you have to put 2, that is 2 the whole square, plus in place of b you have to put negative 2 the whole square. Then square of 2 gives 4, and square of negative 2 will become positive 4. 4 plus 4 gives 8. Now let us see the next one. A square plus ab plus b square. In place of a you have to put 2 whole square, plus a into b, that is 2 into minus 2, plus b square means square of negative 2. Then square of 2 become 4. Positive 2 into negative 2 is negative 4. Then square of negative 2 is 4. Now positive 4 and negative 4 will get cancelled. Your answer is 4. Now the next one is a square minus b square. Now square of a, that is a, you have to put the value 2 in place of a, and you have to put negative 2 in place of b. Then this whole square as it is. See, you have to write this square as it is. Then square of 2 become 4. Put this sign as it is. Then square of negative 2, that is negative 2 into negative 2 will become positive 4. Now 4 minus 4 gives 0. This negative sign is of here. This negative 2 become positive 4. Positive 4 and negative 4, that is both will get cancelled. So you will get your answer as 0. Question number 5. When a equals to 0 and b equals to negative 1, find the value of the given expression. Now dear student, here you have to put 0 in place of a, and you have to put negative 1 in place of b. So now let us start our first question, that is 2a plus 2b. Now in place of a you have to put 0. Write down this 2 as it is. In place of a put 0, in write down this 2 as it is, plus 2. In place of b you have to put negative 1. Now 2 zeros are 0, and 2 into negative 1 is negative 2. Now 0 minus negative 2 gives negative 2. Now let us see next one. 2a square plus b square plus 1. Now in place of, write down this 2 as it is. In place of a you have to put 0 the whole square, plus in place of b you have to put negative 1 the whole square plus 1. Then square of 0. Now dear student, here square of 0 is 0 only, that is 2 into 0, plus square of negative 1 will become positive, and write down this positive 1 as it is. 2 zeros are 0. This, write down this 1 as it is, and this 1 as it is. 1 plus 1 2. Now the next sum is 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. Now dear student, again write down this 2 as it is. In place of a you have to put 0, that is square is there, so write down square. In place of b you have to put negative 1, plus 2 into, in place of a you have to put 0, in place of b negative 1 the whole square, plus a into b. In place of a you have to put 0, in place of b you have to put minus 1. Now the square of 0 is 0, into negative 1 into 2 plus 2 into 0 into square of negative 1 is will become positive 1 plus 0 into negative 1 is 0 only. Now anything multiply with 0 you will get 0, that is 2 into 0 into negative 1 is 0. 2 into 0 into negative 2 into 0 into 1 is 0 only. Means any number, whenever any number multiply with 0, you always get the value 0 only. Here already one more 0 is there. Now means 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0 only. Now the next sum is a square plus ab plus 2. In place of a you have to put 0 and whole square, plus in place of a put 0, in place of b put minus 1, and write down this 2 as it is. Now square of 0 is 0, 0 into negative 1 is 0, plus 2 write down as it is. Now 0 plus 2 gives 2. Now the next one, simplify the expression and find the value of x is equals to, see. Now next question is simplify the expression and find the value of x is equals to 2. Now dear student, here the value of x is 2. Now let us start our first sum, that is first sum x plus 7 plus 4 in bracket x minus 5. Now dear student, here in place of x we have to put 2, write down this plus 7 as it is. Now we have to simplify this bracket, this expression, means multiply this 4 with x, give 4x, 4 5s are 20, that is positive into negative is negative 20. Then in place of x you put 2. Now dear student, write down this 2 as it is, plus 7 as it is, 4 as it is. In place of x again you have to put 2 and minus 20 as it is. Then 2 plus 7 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 2. Then add all the positive integer. So 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 7 17 minus 20. So 17 minus 20 gives minus 3. Or dear student, here, or you can do in this way also. See the another way, x plus 7 plus 4 in place of x minus 5. Now in place of x I had substituted the value of x with 2 and here 2. Then 2 plus 7 plus 2 minus 5 is minus 3, and then 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Then 2 plus 7 is 9, and plus minus minus only minus 12. So 9 minus 12 is minus 3. Now the next sum is 3 x plus 2 in bracket plus 5x minus 7. Now dear student, first you simplify this expression, that is 3 into x is 3x, 3 2s are 6 plus 5x minus 7. Then what we will do, then we will do the sum of like term, that is 3x plus 5x, write it together, then 6 minus 7. Then 3x plus 5x gives 8x, and 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Now dear student, here we have to put the value of x, that is 2 in bracket, that is 8 2s are 16 plus 6 and minus 7. Then what you need to do here, either you subtract this value and write down minus 1, or you keep on going writing, then add the positive term, that is 16 plus 6 is 22 minus 7, that is 22 minus 7 is 15. Then the next sum is 6x plus 5 in bracket x minus 2. Now 6x, now simplify this expression, that is 5 into x is 5x, and 5 2s are 10, that is positive into negative is negative 10. Then simplify this value, that is 6x plus 5x gives 11x minus 10 as it is. Then in place of x you have to put 2, that is 11 in bracket 2 minus 10. Then 11 2s are 22 minus 10, that is 22 minus 10 is 12. Now the next sum is 4 in bracket 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Now first you simplify this expression, that is 4 2s are 8x minus 4 1s are 4, 3x plus 11. Then 8x plus 3x, add it, and minus 4 plus 11. Now 8x plus 3x is 11x minus 4 plus 11. Then in place of x substitute the value of x, that is 2. Then 11 minus 4 is 7. Then 11 2s are 22 plus 7, that is 29. Now let us see the next sum, question number 7. Simplify this expression and find their value if x equals to 3, a equals to minus 1, and b equals to minus 2. Now dear student, we have to substitute the value of x with 3, a with minus 1, and b with minus 2. Now dear student, the first question is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. So in place of x you have to put 3, write down this 3 as it is. In place of x put 3, minus 5 as it is, minus x value is 3, so put in bracket 3 plus 9. Then 3 3s are 9, minus 5, minus 3 and plus 9. Then 9 plus 9 18 and minus 5 and minus 3 is minus 8. 18 minus 8 is 10. Now let us see the next sum, that is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Now dear student, what we will do, we will try to simplify we will do the sum of like term first, that is write down this 2 as it is, minus 8 plus minus 8x plus 4x gives minus 4x plus 4. Then write down this 2 as it is, this negative sign as it is, 4 as it is, in place of x put 3 as it is given in the question, in place so the value of x with 3 plus 4 as it is. Then 2 as it is, minus 4 and plus 3, that is 4 3s are 12, minus 12 plus 4 as it is. Then 2 minus 12 is minus 10 plus 4, minus 10 plus 4 gives minus 6. Let us see the next sum. Now in that only 3x plus 5 minus 8x, 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Now dear student, here a is there, and in the question it is given that a equals to minus 1. So in place of a we have to put minus 1. So write on this 3 as it is, in place of a put minus 1, and write on this 5 as it is, minus 8, in place of a put minus 1 plus 1. Then multiply, that is 3 into negative 1 is negative 3, write on this 5 as it is, negative 8 into negative 1 is positive 8, write on this positive 1 as it is. Then 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 1 14, and negative 3 is there. The negative 3 and positive 14 is 11. Now let us see the next sum. 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Now 10, dear student, here 10 minus add the like term, that is minus 3 plus minus 5b, see here minus 3b minus 5b, and write on this minus 4 as it is. Then write 10 minus 4 is 6, and minus 3b plus minus 5b gives minus 8b. Then put this 6 as it is, put this minus 8 as it is, in place of b you have to put minus 2 as it is given in the question. We have to substitute the value of b with minus 2. Okay, so in place of b put minus 2. So write on this 6 as it is, minus 8 into minus 2 is positive 16. The 16 plus 6 is 22. Now the next sum is 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Now here you have to substitute the value of a with minus 1 and substitute the value of b with minus 2. So in place of a you have to put minus 1, that is 2 into negative 1 plus 2 into negative 2 minus 4 as it is, minus 5 as it is. In place of a you have to put minus 1. Then multiply, 2 into negative 1 is negative 2. Then negative 2 into negative 2 is positive 4, minus 4 as it is, minus 5 as it is, minus 1 as it is. Then positive 4 and negative 4 will get cancelled. Here now only minus 2, minus 5 and minus 1 is left. All are minus, all are of same sign, that is you have to add the like. Now here what you have to do, you have to add all the number, that is 5 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, and all are in negative, so your answer will be negative, that is negative 8. Let us see question number 8. If z equals to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 in bracket z minus 10. Now let us see, we have to substitute the value of z with minus 10. Now write on the question first, z cube minus 3 in bracket z minus 10. In place of, write on this z cube as it is, then multiply, simplify this expression, that is 3 into z. Negative 3 into z is negative 3z, and negative 3 into negative 10 is positive 30. 3 times are 30. Now in place of z you have to put 10. So in place of z put 10, and cube will be as it is. Then minus 3, in place of z put 10 plus 30. Then cube of 10 is 1000, minus 3 into 10 is minus 30, and positive 30 as it is. Minus 30 plus 30 will get cancelled, and your answer will be 1000. Let us see the next sum. See here, p square minus 10 is there. Find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. Now dear student, here you have to substitute the value of p with minus 10. The p square minus 10 is there. Yes, here if p equals to minus 10. So now in place of p you have to put minus 10. So put minus 10 over here and put this square as it is. 2 into, in place of p you have to put minus 10, and this minus 100 as it is. Then square of minus 10 will become 100, and minus into minus will become plus. 2 tens are 20, and minus 100 as it is. Positive 100 and negative 100 will get cancelled, and you are getting 20 over here. Now the next one is, what should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x equals to 0. Now dear student, here we have to find the value of a. If the value of 2x square plus x minus a is equals to 5. See here, I had written this expression over here, 2x square plus x minus a is equals to 5. Now dear student, here the value of this expression is given. From that we have to find the value of a, which is missing over here, and you have to take the value of x as a 0. Now here write down this 2 as it is. Value of x is 0, that is 0 square, plus value of x is 0 minus a as it is equals to 5. Then square of 0 is 0 only, and 2 zeros are 0. Write on this 0 as it is, minus a as it is, and 5 as it is. Now here the value of negative a is 5. So what will be the value of a? Here the value of a cannot be negative. So what I did, I had multiplied this negative a with negative 1, and same thing I did toward my right hand side, that is I had multiplied this 5 with negative 1. Whatever, dear student, whatever value you are taking toward your left hand side or right hand side, your same value you have to take to the other side. The negative into negative become positive, and positive into negative become negative, that is 5 into negative 1 is negative 5. That means what, dear student, whenever you will put negative 5 in place of a and 0 in place of x, the value you will get 5 only. Now the next one. Simplify the expression and find its value when a equals to 5 and b equals to minus 3. Now here this is the expression, that is 2 in bracket a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. Now in place of a you have to put 5, in place of b you have to put minus 3. Now write down this 2 as it is. Dear student, now you simplify this bracket first, this expression first, that is 2 into minus a, 2 into a square is 2a square, and 2 into ab is 2ab, and write down this positive 3 as it is and minus ab as it is. Then rearrange all the value, that is 2a square plus 2ab minus ab plus 3. Then in place of a you have to put 5. So write down 2 as it is, in place of a put 5 whole square, plus in place of a put 5, and in place of b put minus 3, and write down this 3 as it is. Then square of 5 is 25, that is 2 into 25 is 50, and 3 5s are 15, that is positive into negative is negative, and put this 3 as it is. Now 50, here 15 is a 50 minus 50 plus 3 is 53 minus 15. The 53 minus 15 is 38. Let us start exercise 12.4. Now observe the pattern of digit made from the line segment of equal length. You will find such segmented digit on the display of electronic watches or calculator. Now dear students, such kind of segment we used to see in electronic watches or calculator. Such kind of segmented digit. Now dear student, here it is a 6, means it is formed with a 6 line segment, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now here it is formed with the 11, then after 16, then after 21, and goes on. Now dear student, here we have to find the number of segment required to form 5 digit of this kind. 5 digit in the sense means this is 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, then after 4 digit and 5 digit. Now we will consider, see, let the number of digit form be n. We don't know the number of digit be form be n, we have to take then the number of segment required to form n digit, means how many number of such kind of segment is required to form that n number of a digit, means is given by the algebraic expression, that is 5n plus 1, means 5 times n plus 1, means whatever the number of n number of a digit, that is n number of a digit we needed. Here see, here the number of segment is required to form n number of a digit. So it is here, it is given by algebraic expression, that is 5n plus 1. Now first question is, we have to find the number of such segment required to form 5 digit of this kind. 5 digit means here it is 1 digit, here it is 2 digit, 3 digit, then 4 and 5. So if 5 number of digits are there, and we had considered, and here the algebraic expression also given, that is the 5n plus 1. It's very simple, just in place of n you have to put 5, that is 5 into 5, that is 5 times 5 plus 1, that is 5 as a 25 plus 1, that is 26. That means to form a 5 digit of same kind, you need 26 number of, you have to draw 26 number of a segment. Then the next one is the number of segment required to form 10 digit of the same kind. Means again you write down the expression, that is 5n plus 1. In place of n you have to put 10 plus 1 and 5 as it is. 5 times are 50 plus 1, 51. Means to form 10 digit of same kind, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you need how many? 51 number of segment. You have to draw 51 such kind of a segment. Then in that only the number of segment required to form 100 digit of the same kind. Again you write on the expression, that is 5n plus 1. In place of n you have to put 100 plus 1, that is 5 into 100 is 500 plus 1, that is 501. Means to form 100 such kind of such a digit of same kind, you need 501 line segment. Now let us see the next question. See, the next pattern is given, that is 4. See, 1 2 3 4, then next is 7, next is 10, and so on. That is 3 13, next one is 13, and so on. And the expression is given 3 times n plus 1. So here also we have to consider, let the number of digit form be n, and the number of segment required to form the n number of a digit of the algebraic expression is also given, that is 3 times n plus 1. Then what you need to do is, let us see. Again here we have to find if the how many number of segment required to form 5 number of digit, 5 digit, 10 digit and 100 digit of this kind. The first we will find how many number of segment required to form 5 digit. So write down the expression, that is 3 times n plus 1. In place of n write down 5 plus 1, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16. So that is it's require a 16 number of segment, means we have to draw 16 number of segment to form 5 digit. That is 5 digit means 1 2 3 4 5. So 16 number of segment we need to draw to form 5 such a digit. Now the next question is the number of segment required to form 10 digit of same kind. So again you write on the expression, that is 3n plus 1. In place of 10 n you put 10, that is 3 tens are 30 plus 1, that is 31. Means to form 10 digit of same kind, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you need 31 number of line segment. You have to draw 31 number of line segment. Then the next one, in that only the number of segment required to form 100 digit of same kind. Again you write on the expression, that is 3n plus 1. In place of n put 100, that is 3 into 100 plus 1, that is 300 plus 1, 301. Means to form 100 such kind of a digit, so it required 301 line segment. You need to draw 301 line segment. Now let us see the next main question, that is, see, again one pattern is given, and in the first pattern 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 number of digits are there. So let us consider, let the number of digit form be n, and the number of segment required to form the such n digit given by the algebraic expression 5n plus 2, that is 5 times n plus 2. See here it is 7, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, here it is 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Here it is 17. Now the next segment is 22. Now the next number of segment, that is next digit is 22, and so on. Now let us see the number of segment required to form again 5 such a digit of same kind, that is 5n plus 2. That is in place of n you have to put 5 as a 25 plus 2, that is 27. Now the next one is the number of segment required to form 10 digit of same of this kind. 10 digit of same, again you write on the expression, that is 5n plus 2, that is in place of n you put 10, that is 5n 5 tens are 50 plus 2, that is 50 plus 2 is 52. That is 52 segments are needed to draw to form 10 such digits. Then the next one is the number of segment required to form 100 digit of same kind. So again you write down the expression, that is 5n plus 2, then 5 in place of n put 100, that is 5 into 100 is 500 plus 2, that is 502. Means 502 line segments should be drawn to form 100 digit of same kind. 100 digit. This is just a 1 digit, then 2 digit, 3 digit, 100 digit. That means you have to draw 502 number of this kind of line segment. Now dear student, let us see the next question. See here. use the given algebraic expression to complete the table of the number pattern. Now dear student, here number pattern is there. We have to complete this table. See here the expressions given: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 10th, 100th term. We have to find the value of all. Now one by one, if first term, how to find the first term? In place of n you have to put 1, that is 2 ones are 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Then in place of n you have to put 2, means 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then in place of n you have to put 3, means 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 5. Then in place of n you have to put 4, that is 4 2s are 8 minus 1 is 7. Then in place of n you have to put 5, that is 2 5s are 10 minus 1 is 9. Then in place of n you have to put 10, that is 2 10s are 20, 20 minus 1 is 19. Then in place of n you have to put 100, that is 2 into 100 is 200 minus 1 is 199. In the same way you have to solve all, that is 3n plus 2. In place of n you have to put 1, that is in place of n you have to put 1, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5. Then in place of 2 you have to put 2, that is 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. Then 3 you have to put, that is 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. Then 4, that is 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14. Then 5 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17. Then 10 3 10s are 30, 30 plus 2 32. Then 100, the 300s are 300 plus 2 302. Then the next one is 4n plus 1, that is in place of n you have to put 1, that is 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. Then 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 9. Then 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 13. Then 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 4 17. Then 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 21. Then 10 4s are 40, 40 plus 1 what you. Now in the same way you have to go on. 10 plus 3n plus 2, in place of n you put 10, that is 3 times are 30, 30 plus 2 32. Then the next expression is 4n plus 1. In place of n you have to put 1, that is 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. Then 2, that is 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Then 3 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. Then 4 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. Then 5, in place of n put 5, 5 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. Then 10, that is 4 10s are 40 plus 1 41. Then 100, 400s are 400 plus 1 401. Now the next one is 7 times n plus 20. In place of n put 1, that is 7 1s are 7 plus 20 is 27. 7 plus 7 in place of n, that is 2, that is 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 20 is 34. Then put 3 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 20 is 41. Then 4, that is 7 4s are 28 plus 20 is 48. Then 5 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 20 is 55. Then 10, 7 into 10, 7 10s are 70 plus 20 is 90. Then 100, 7 and that is 700s are 700 plus 20, that is 720. Now the last one is n square plus 1. Now in place of n put 1, that is square of 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 2. Then put 2, that is square of 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Then put 3, that is square of 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10. Then 4 square of 4 is 16, 16 plus 1 17. Then 5 square of 5 is 25, 25 plus 1 26. Then 10 square of 10 is 100, 100 plus 1 101. Then 100, that is square of 100 is 1000, 1000 plus 1, the 1000 means 10,000, means 10,000 plus 1 gives 10,001. Then the last one is in place of n you have to put 100, that is square of 100 plus 1, that is square of 100 is 10,000, 10,000 plus 1 is 10,001.